Hi guys, we have here the Oligo BLACKLIGHT power shades for highlights and special effects. Comes in this nice package. Let's go ahead and just give you guys a quick look. Includes all these items here. As you can see here, 2 of each color. So let's go ahead and open up this box for you guys. So there you have it, 2 of each color. What a package looks like. Also comes with the power shades. We got a quick look here. And let me show you the colors themselves. They come one power shade, looks like that. This one is the PS-32. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.